All right, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in. You know I always appreciate it here. And we're here to check out a new watch. Got another unboxing here for you on the channel. And I got my subscription watch, monthly subscription watch. I meant to I keep meaning to cancel this from my Wrist Mafia. So we've got another Wrist Mafia subscription this month. You can't just cancel on the website. You have to email someone. I sent an email, clearly didn't get back to me. I'm annoyed about that, but we'll get to that later. That's another rant for another video. But I did get another watch from them. We're going to check it out. If you have been paying attention, I've done a couple of these. This is probably going to be the third one on the channel. The stuff they send out is not, I mean, it's worse than Watch Gang. It hasn't been great. I will say that. So, it is a subscription box service similar to Watch Gang. A little bit different quality here. We're going to take a look. We're going to get into it, okay? I do also want to say at the top of the video, hit that subscribe button, okay? We have a giveaway lined up here. I did go ahead and push the date back again to January 31st, just because I have had some issues where I haven't been able to get any content up to kind of promote it. Now I'm back. We are putting out videos every Monday and Thursday, and I'm shooting a batch today, so we're knocking out a ton of them. And because I'm actually backed up here, I've got probably 7 or 8 watches to unbox. So we're going to go ahead and get caught up today, okay? So hit that subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram, and then also follow this YouTube channel. Those are just the 3 steps to enter, and I'm going to send somebody out an automatic watch. We did do this already at 500 subscribers. We're just doing it again here at 1,000. So this is the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We just kind of crossed over 1,000 maybe a month and a half ago or so, but I've just kind of been in and out all over the place, and I haven't been able to upload. So, hey, we're back, baby. Let's do it. All right, so we've got... our watch here, and I tell you what, guys, they all come in these little crappy boxes. I don't know, this is worse than Watch Gang. Okay, these boxes are terrible. Even this one has and it arrived like this, guys. Make no mistake, I didn't do this. It has, I hope it's showing up in the camera, all kinds of weird scratches and things on the box. I don't know. So this is clearly, I don't know, this is clearly something that is just very super cheap. It feels super cheap, super flimsy. But let's take a look here, okay? I will say real quick, also, in terms of a wristwatch check, I am wearing the my Oris Aquas still. So, same one I was wearing in the last video. It's the same day. So, I am wearing my Oris Aquas, the Carlos Coste Special Edition here. So, I'm going to take this off and get this ready. Get my wrist ready, rather. And we will put the Oris to the side. And in terms of this one, we've got it says Henry Ashton. So, of course, this is another one of these brands that I've never heard of. Box just says paper. Did not come with a warranty card or anything on the inside. Just a watch in a box. No book, no manual, nothing. Not that I ever read the manual on a watch, but but still, it's just the principle. So now you've got, of course, on the back here, you've got what they're saying is genuine leather. Although, once again, they did get me. I will say it does feel like genuine plastic. It doesn't feel doesn't feel very good at all. This is all of the hallmarks of what's probably a made-up watch brand. So you've got this H.A. Henry Ashton. It's just, I don't know. It's, of course, back here you've got H.A. Henry Ashton etched into the case back here, which again is just kind of very simple, very basic, very plain. Genuine leather, like I said, this does feel like a genuine plastic bracelet. The buckle does not have anything etched into it, no names, nothing like that, no logos, anything. In terms of the dial now, I will say, oh, let me take the plastic off here. There we go. Some people are not a fan of, I guess very minimalist watches. I myself don't mind. Let me take this stopper out here, and we'll start the ticking. Oh. Because make no mistake, guys, this is definitely a quartz watch. Okay, so there you go. You'll see it start ticking there. Let's go in for some detailed shots here real quick. So as you see, it is ticking there. Okay, so it is a quartz watch. I do like the date window down at the 6 o'clock, and as I was saying earlier, starting to say anyway, I like that it's white out here around the chapter ring. I do like the black dial, and I don't mind the indices as well, which do look applied. It doesn't look cheap, okay, in terms of visually. I don't think it necessarily looks cheap. It's just once you hold it, you know it's cheap. Okay, it feels super light. It weighs almost nothing. It feels almost like a toy, and of course, there's nothing to wind here because I'm starting to wind it as though it's an automatic watch. What am I doing? but looking at it, it's not a terrible looking watch. It's more so just when you actually touch it, it doesn't feel that great. And this is the quality, guys. This is the caliber of stuff that they've sent out. When you go to the website, you can almost not find anything on it at all. It's just a simple quartz watch. You do have a date window down there. There's not much in specs to even really look at anyway, to be honest with you. I'm going to go ahead and try to maybe put this on the last button just so you guys can see it. But there's not a whole lot to say about this, guys. I've been extremely underwhelmed. Give me 1 second here. Hold on, I'm going to go off camera. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to get this buckled up here so you can see it on the wrist. But I will say that I have been extremely underwhelmed with everything that I've gotten from Wrist Mafia. It's just, it's this, you know, it's super cheap. And while I will say that, you know, under the Watch Gang original tier, you do get cheap stuff on there, I will say it at least has a little more character. And at least isn't this bad. I mean, this stuff is almost Cracker Jack box bad, and I honestly, guys, I can't even buckle it. So it does not fit on my wrist. I can't even buckle it. So 8¼ inch wrist, I can. It's like I can't get it all the way across to put the tab in to buckle it. So just a complete colossal waste of money, guys. So I will say, do not, and I want to repeat this, do not ever sign up for Wrist Mafia at all. I actually have one from the previous month kind of sitting around here that I didn't even make a video about, but it's sitting around here. I may make a video about that one as well. It will just be me ranting more about how terrible it is. But this is all pretty bad, guys. So if you're looking for an alternative to Watch Gang in terms of a subscription box service, and you say, hey, let me try that Wrist Mafia thing out, do yourself a favor and don't. Okay. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. This has, of course, been Unbox and Chill. Hit that subscribe button. Drop me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know, what other subscription box services have you tried? Have you considered any? And would you sign up for Wrist Mafia? Is this something that you would do? Because me personally, this is a no-go. I've been trying to cancel it. I sent an email. I haven't gotten anything back yet, and they're still charging me. So, yeah, probably have to call my bank. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next one.